Hello beautiful babes, welcome back into Sugar Fingers. Yes, listen, I know y'all say, girl, I done seen that outfit too many times. Well, guess what? Your girl is in catch up mode. She's got to catch up, and ooh, I'm nice and shiny, that's for sure. Check out Beauty by Sweet Angel for what's making me glow today. But anyway, let's get to today's haul. Yes indeed, I did receive a package, some gifts from REYNA ROSE. Yes, I think that's how you pronounce it, REYNA ROSE. But anyway, I wanted to share with y'all what I got. I might test a few of the items out as well on camera. So why don't y'all hurriedly come on down to the desk and let's do that. I'm excited. You know, when I get some goodies, I'll be ready to get into it. I got a lot of stuff too, lots of stuff. But listen, if you don't know about REYNA ROSE, let me tell you, they are an amazing brand of nail applications and fake nails and jewels for the nails, and they have been compared to Dashing Diva, but personally I think theirs is just a little bit different, and I'll show you a comparison here in just a moment. But let me get into the stuff because I know that's what you're here for, right? So let's get to that, and then we'll talk some more. We'll chit chat some more. Let me get into this. All right, we have a bag full of goodies. I'm just going to get them all out of here, and then we're going to talk about what your girl got. I'm so excited. I love goodies. I love stuff. Yes, I do. I think that's it finally. Okay. So let's see what this note is all about. It's just giving me a special offer, and from REYNA ROSE. And first I want to start with this little bag here. So they sent me some goodies as well, and let's see what's in here. I don't recall ordering this, so I assume this just came with it. So I have some nail glue, and looks like it's already stuck to something. Just kidding, the little tab just came off. I have some of the little self-stick tabs. I have some wet wipes here. Ooh, I have more tabs. These come in handy, especially when you want a quick manicure. So I actually have several of those. That's great. And I have some files, glue and files. 4 glues and 2 files and buffers. So that's amazing. I am super happy about that. So let's get into the goodies. Okay, in this box right here, what do we have? Ooh, we have nails. These are pre-designed. Yes. Beautiful. Let's see if we can take the top off of this, or how do we do it? Ooh, it's like so. Oh gosh, that is so nice. Look at there. Okay, 3, 5, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 19. So you get 24 nails in here. Yes, beautiful. That is so pretty. And so I guess I have another set here. You know, I'm not gonna fight with you. I'm just gonna do you like that. Ooh, another set. That's pretty. And this is that one. So nice. I am loving that. Girl, your girl gonna be fixed up. And now, what do we have? Oh my goodness. Okay, now this is from the brand Dashing Diva, the Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Nail. These are the appliques for that. But what do we have? Here is the REYNA ROSE. So these are actually the little jewels, and these are the decals. So let's see about the decals. What's the difference between the two? All right, it comes with the decals and also a file. And we have Dashing Diva over here. Okay, they do have a file in here, some instruction, have some foil, and the decals as well. So, you know, they're kind of similar there. These are very pretty, very pretty. Oh, I could actually do that with my thumb that I created here. Pretty. Okay, that's that one. Let's look at this one. All right, we'll just leave that inside. All right, this is a beautiful spring kind of set. I love that. I look forward to trying these out, and all you have to do is just stick them on your nails and apply them, file them, etc. So that is pretty neat. And then we have different jewels here. This is what I'm truly interested in, because your girl getting ready to put some of these on her nails like right now. I want to test these out. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh my goodness. Do they fall off? I suppose they do. Okay, how pretty is that? Do you see how pretty that is? Oh my gosh, I am so in love right now. I wish I had thought about what kind of design I wanted to do before I did that, but I didn't. This is so easy to do if you're not really good at... I could have did that better, but I didn't. Oh, maybe I can lift... I'm gonna mess up something. I'm gonna mess up something. I already know it. Wow. Like, it goes like this. Duh. How about that? Girl, I did that. Let me put these up, because I will be done put a ton of them all over my nails, and I'll be looking crazy. But that is so nice. This is my favorite thing of all right here, and I love the nails as well, so I look forward to using that. Now, what is the designs on these? Okay, these got little chains hanging off of them and stuff. Let me check this one out before I open that one up. Or did I get two of the same? Almost like two of it. I don't know. Oh no, this is different. This is different. So what would you do? I would probably want to put my pointing finger and my ring finger. I don't want to waste one of. I'll just do one of these. Yes, this is nice. And wait, I also got some dip powder. I missed that. Some dipping powder. A little tube, a little container of it in white or something like that, or clear, one or the other. Super nice. I get so excited. So I'm going to put on one more and let y'all see how that looks. This is so great if you're not good at doing the jewels and stuff like that. These little appliques are perfect. And then if you want to do them hurriedly, you know, you don't have to worry about the glue setting and all of that. Oh no, some of them are popping off. I'm not sure how well that's going to stick to my nail. It does have a little raise on the side there, but pressing it on, and I imagine you can use your top coat to polish over that. But that is so cute. Love it. And I just want to show my beautiful babes what I got. All of the goodies, as you can see. Oh yeah, that is so pretty on my nails. See, have a little cuticle design there, and I just popped that one in the center. And on this one, I just put that one right there. But that is it. Thanks so much for coming to hang out with me, beautiful babes. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep on watching right here on Sugar Fingers. And I promise you, I'll do more designs coming up with all of these goodies. And thanks, REYNA Rose. This is amazing. I'll see y'all on the next one, and please keep those hands looking gorgeous. Oh yeah, bye.